Do you know the fact that the Earth is not flat and not perfectly round either? Or the fact that there weren't always several continents on Earth? Do you want to know more about the planet? Then here are 5 interesting facts about the Earth that will blow your minds. Number 1. The Earth is actually not a perfect sphere. Since our planet is spinning at a rate of near 1,000 miles per hour, this motion makes Earth have an oblate spheroid shape rather than a perfect sphere. The middle of the Earth around the equator actually bulges up slightly, despite photos of the Earth showing it as a perfect sphere. Number 2. The driest place in the world is actually Antarctica. You'd think the icy continent of Antarctica wouldn't be considered a desert, but it is. In fact, the entire continent hasn't received any rain for more than 2 million years, making it the driest place on Earth. Number 3. A day on Earth isn't actually 24 hours. We all know a day on Earth is 24 hours, but this is likely wrong. Since the Earth is rotating and orbiting the Sun, it creates a slight difference in time, making the length of a day actually be 23 hours and 56 minutes long. Number 4. We have only explored less than 5% of the ocean. The oceans on Earth are so vast and deep that us humans haven't even explored more than 5% of them. Much of the seafloor cannot be explored. Due to the depth being so vast, radio waves cannot penetrate. And last but not the least, number 5. There weren't always several continents. Earth's continents have an on-again, off-again relationship that has lasted for millions of years. Some 800 million years ago, the great tectonic plates that Earth's landmasses ride upon came together, assembling the continents into a large supercontinent called Rodinia. What is now North America lay at the center of it. Rodinia eventually broke apart into many pieces that recollided 250 to 500 million years ago, creating the Appalachian Mountains in North America and the Ural Mountains in Russia and Kazakhstan. About 250 million years ago, the continents came together once again to form another supercontinent called Pangaea, surrounded by a single worldwide ocean. 50 million years later, Pangaea began to break apart. It split into 2 large land masses, Gondwana Land and Laurasia, that ultimately fragmented into the continents we know of today. Did you like the facts that I gave you?